Hi ladies, in this lesson I want to show you how to add categories and tags to your posts and how to make the layout of your post default. So what I'm going to show you first is the categories and tags. So I'm going to use the same post I've been using for the lessons, and if you scroll down you will see it says posted in uncategorized. Categories and tags help you to sort all the posts according to categories or tags. So it makes it easier in the future if, for example, you want to go and search for all the posts on specific lessons, say for example, Finding the Abundant Life Lesson 1, then the tags will help you to find all the posts on that specific lesson. Or if you want to go and read all my tags, then posts, then adding your name to the tags will help you in future to go and search for all my posts. So there's two ways you can access your settings where you add your categories and tags, and that is by, if you have your post open like this, you can go to edit post, or from the dashboard you can just click on edit. You also have a quick edit function that where you can add categories and tags, but I'm going to show you how to use the edit function. So if you have this page open, you'll see there's nothing currently here on the right hand side of my screen, but you go and click on that square settings symbol and it will open your settings where you can add all your categories and tags and where you can schedule and publish your posts. So the first thing is the categories. So underneath you'll find a list of categories that you can use that's already been set up. So the first category we're going to add is normally the website that you are posting your phrase on. So I'm going to use encouraging women, for example. Then if this post is about a specific lesson, say in the Finding the Abundant Life, then you can go and search and see if there's a category Finding the Abundant Life. If it's a general post that's not about a specific lesson, you do not have to add the second category and you can just add the website category. But because this lesson is about finding the abundant life, I'm going to add it. Then you're going to go to tags. In here, you're going to add your name. You can type the first letter and see if you get a drop down with tags, but if you do not get it, it's a tag that do not exist yet, so you can just type it. And if it gives you the list, you can just click on the one you want. Then I'm going to add a tag for the specific lesson. So I'm going to use the abbreviation for Finding the Abundant Life, which will be FAL. And then it gives me a list of all the FAL tags already available. And this is for lesson 1. So I'm going to add FAL 1. For lesson 2, it will be FAL 2, for example. And so forth. That's it. That's the only tags I'm going to add for this post. If this post is not about a lesson, you do not have to add that. But say, for example, it's about custody. You can type in custody here, and you'll see there is a tag, and then you add it. If there is not a tag, it doesn't give you a list of tags and one that you can use, you can type the tag. So I'm going to say, for example, new one. RMT for restored marriage testimonies. You'll see it doesn't give you a list, so you can just press enter and it will add a list of facts. So now I'm gonna go back to Beaver Builder by launching it. I'm going to just scroll down and you'll see it's posted in Finding the Abundant Life on Encouraging Women, and it's filed under Adina and Custody. So I'm just going to go back. So it's just going to say done. Just going to go back. I just want to change that one to FAL1. That's it. Now I just want to show you how to make your layout default. The reason we want to make our post default is because we have, if I go to the blog here, we have widgets on the right-hand side of the blog post page, and we do want to keep it visible. So if you make your post default and you open your post, you will still see the widgets on the right-hand side. But if you do not make it default, then you will not see your widgets on the right-hand side. For example, like this one, because it will go over into the widget field. So we're going to go back to your settings, and under layout, you're just going to say default, and then launch Beaver Builder. Make sure it is default layout. Yes, because you can see the widgets on the right-hand side. So ladies, you can play around with this, with the posts you already created, and by adding your tags and your categories, and also to change your layout to default. And then in the next lesson, I will show you how to schedule and publish your posts.